In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a contact report in Salesforce. This tutorial is perfect for those who want to leverage Salesforce's reporting features to track and manage contacts more effectively. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to log into your Salesforce Lightning account. Once you're logged in, head to the top left corner of the screen where you'll find the app launcher, which looks like a grid icon. Click on it, then type reports into the search bar and select it from the list that appears. This will take you to your Salesforce Reports homepage. Once there, look to the upper right corner and click on the New Report button. This opens the Choose Report Type window where you can specify what kind of report you'd like to create. At this point, you should search for contacts. From the results, you'll have choices like contacts and accounts or contacts with activities. Choose the one that best fits your needs based on the data you want to include in your report. After making your selection, click Continue. Now we'll move on to the filters panel, which is on the left side of the screen. Here you can set your date range. For instance, you might want to view contact data from all time or limit it to the last 30 days depending on your specific requirements. You can further refine your data by adding additional filters like account, contact owner, or other relevant criteria as needed. Next, let's customize the report layout. Move over to the outline panel. Here you'll have the opportunity to add or remove columns from your report. Consider including important fields like email, phone, and account name to better organize your data. If you want to dig deeper, you can even group your data rows for more insightful analysis, for example by grouping them by account name. Once you've got your report set up just the way you like it, head to the upper right corner of the screen and click Run to preview the report. This gives you a chance to review everything and ensure accuracy before finalizing. If everything looks good, it's time to save your work. Click Save and enter a report name that clearly identifies what the report is all about. You can also add a description to provide additional context for anyone who might use this report in the future. Finally, decide where to save your report. You can choose a folder like Private Reports, or opt for a shared folder if you wish to make it accessible to others. After setting all this up, click Save once more to store your report, and there you have it. You've successfully created a contact report in Salesforce. This comprehensive report will help you stay organized and on top of your contact management. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more Salesforce tips and tricks.